A 1.6-kilometer elevated corridor in the national capital to allow unhindered traffic on a section of the Ring Road was inaugurated by the Delhi government today. In a first, the AAP government has completed the construction of this corridor at an actual cost of 147 crores as against a sanctioned outlay of over 247 crores. That's really with 100 crore rupees still to spare. The Sheila Dikshit government had initiated this project in 2013.
250 करोड़ का पुल 150 करोड़ में बन गया। ये तो मुझे लगता है कि ये चमत्कार दुनिया का 8वां चमत्कार है। मेरे को लगता है ये इसके लिए इस प्रोजेक्ट को शुरू करने का पूरा श्रेय श्री शीला दीक्षित जी को जाता है। उन्होंने इसकी नींव रखी, इस प्रोजेक्ट को शुरू किया। तो डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन साहब को मैं आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली सरकार और केंद्र सरकार का अर्बन डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट बहुत अच्छा, बाकी दूसरों के साथ अभी सॉर्ट आउट कर रहे हैं।
Siddharth Pandey joining us for more on that. Siddharth, is that fairly unprecedented?
Well, that's right. It's a 100 crore Diwali gift for the residents of this city, and this is the flyover behind me. It's definitely come at a good time because there used to be a traffic jam of at least around 30 minutes or so on a daily basis. We can show you those shots, and I'm also going to talk to Harish Dang. He's a former public sector government employee, and sir, you've retired now, but you're a resident who lives here.
Yes.
Earlier, what was the situation? How long did you have to wait here?
It was very bad, and it took around 30 to 40 minutes to cover this area. This is very nice. It is, and I can understand that it is built on time.
On time. In
Yeah.
fact, you worked in a public sector undertaking. You retired now, but in your experience, how often do you hear that a government project has been completed within time and within budget? Is it unprecedented?
I think this is the first project which has been completed on time. And earlier we have been seeing, and the public also know that there is a cost overrun and your time overrun. But this
100
project,
crores has been saved on this flyover alone. That's money that can be spent elsewhere.
yeah, that can be spent for repairing and carpeting the roads. That will be much better because traffic jam is always there in whole of the city.